Hello dosto, today I am going to tell you about the pulse oximeter. The pulse oximeter is the portable blood measurement device. It can also measure the pulse or heart rate. You can see in the picture that it is light in weight, 2-directional display, high light LED screen, 8-second automatic shutdown, power saving and 1-touch shutdown. You can also see the specification that the LED and OLED display, oxygen measurement range 70% to 99, blood oxygen display resolution ±1%, pulse measurement range 30 bpm to 240 bpm, power consumption below 30 milliampere, and length, width and height, and it used 2 AAA battery. There are precautions that you can read while using this device, and it is not applicable on the newborn babies. Blood oxygen reference range, you can see that 95 to 99% is normal, 90 to 94 need exercise, and below 90 need special oxygen inhalation. Normal pulse rate is 60 to 100, but some athletes have pulse rate near 50 bpm. You can see it as aesthetics that it is quite handy, and you can also see the back side of the pulse oximeter that it need 3 volt DC, working current less than equal to 30 milliampere, and we use 2 pencil lead batteries to operate it. It also comes with the fine and handy thread. You can handle it easily. You can wrap it on your hand or on your fingers so that it can. If you own the device, you see a oximeter written on it, and on the top of it there written a percentage oxygen saturation, and you can see the pulse rate and PI indicator. By touching the on button, you can rotate the screen in any direction. Now you have to use this oximeter in the middle finger of any hand. After inserting the middle finger, you have to on the switch. Now it start detecting. You see the side indicator. Now it seems that I have a percentage oxygen saturation 97, pulse rate 72, and there is percentage PI reading. That is a 7.3 something. It varies from in few seconds you can able to read the readings. You can turn the screen to show someone. Okay, I think it is clear to you. Now I am going to tell you how it function and actually work. Now you can see that there is finger and there is a source of infrared light and a source of red light on the upper side, and you can see a sensor of infrared light and sensor of red light on the lower side, and there is a artery and veins carrying oxygen rich blood. The light passes through our finger and sensed by the sensors. Now you can see in the figure that on the left side you can see low concentration hemoglobin blood, and on the right side you can see high concentration hemoglobin blood. In the low concentration hemoglobin blood, the light passes through our finger is more, and in the high concentration of hemoglobin blood you can see the light absorbed is more. So the sensor sense the more or less light indicates that the number of hemoglobin and number of oxygen saturation in our blood. More the light absorbed by blood means more is the oxygen saturation in our blood. Now you have seen that the percentage PI indicator in the pulse oximeter. The PI is an indicator of the relative strength of the pulse light signal from pulse oximeter and has been found to be a reliable indicator of the peripheral perfusion. PI is calculated by dividing the pulsate signal AC by the non-pulsate signal DC and is expressed as a percentage ranging from 0.02% to 20%. I hope from this video you well understand about the pulse oximeter. उम्मीद है आपको मेरी ये वीडियो पसंद आई होगी. Thank you for watching my channel C for Technician video. Please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon button. Thank you.